Hi everyone, it's Stan, and welcome to another installment of A History of Graphics and Sound, Ultima Underworld, the Stygian Abyss edition. In this edition, we'll be looking at the graphics of the MCGA, or as it's known, VJ256 graphics mode, and we'll also be looking a little more at the sound system known as the MT-32. Here we have a little graphics bit of artwork that I've done in the past. We have 4 graphics cards in their native graphics resolutions. We have Hercules, CGA, also known as Color Graphics Adapter, EGA or Enhanced Graphics Adapter, and MCGA Multicolor Graphics Adapter, or also known as VGA or Video Graphics Adapter. Now, we'll be first playing a little intro that came with the game, and keep in mind if it seems to lag in places, it is because emulating an MT-32 can be rather resource intensive. So let us first look at the intro for Ultima Underworld, the Stygian Abyss, keeping in mind that the graphics you will see are 320 pixels across by 200 pixels up and down, with 256 colors on the screen at once. Well, up to 256 at once. So, let's get started. Here is the intro.
For 3 nights, each attempt to rest has brought you starting from your bed in fright, and remembering what horrified you saw. With a sickening sense of deja vu, you begin to dream.
Treachery and doom. My brother will unleash a great evil. Britannia is in peril.
Sure that the ghost can take you to Britannia, you allow yourself to be drawn to him.
A visitor, and from far away indeed. Were he not dead, I'd suspect my brother sent thee. No matter, thou shalt serve to draw the hounds from the scent.
Below, a creature heads toward the dark woods, a thrashing sack slung over its massive shoulder.
What hast thou done with our lord's daughter Ariel? Dropped her below to an accomplice, I'll wager. Well, he'll nigh escape us, and when we bring her back, he'll both hang.
Several tense hours later, you are dragged before Baron Ulmric. Ignoring you, Ulmric questions his captain.
What news, Corwin?
Forgive us, my lord. The foul creature escaped. A score of us gave chase, but it fled into the Stygian Abyss with poor Ariel. We were attacked, goblins and worse, my lord. Only 3 of us survived.
I see.
The Baron turns his hard grey eyes upon you.
I was warned of thy coming. Last fortnight, an apparition of an old, haggard man appeared in my dreams. Guard thy daughter well, it warned, for an evil one shall come to steal her away. I posted guards at Ariel's door, but still you took her from me. They say thou didst drop her to a troll waiting below. What sayest thou?
You explain that you are the Avatar, and that you are innocent.
Whether thou speak truth or falsehood, I cannot say. Stories tell of the coming of the Avatar, but years have passed since he visited here. If thou art truly the Avatar, then perhaps thou canst offer hope. None here can survive the Stygian Abyss and rescue Ariel. My mind is set. Corwin shall take thee to the Abyss. Return here with my daughter, and thy innocence shall be proven. If thou dost not return, Avatar, then thy lies shall have brought thee low.
This be the foul pit's only entrance. Once it is locked, none can pass. I will shut thee in and stand guard till I hear Ariel's voice from within. Otherwise, 'twill remain shut forever.
For this next segment, I'll go through the character creation screens to pass some time. I won't be recording my voice. This is so you can hear just the background music as it sounds on an MT-32 system. Hopefully there won't be too much lag on this. So let's see what this does. you enjoyed that. And until next time, game on.